Hello everybody and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make an RG-6 coaxial cable using a type F connector like this. So let's just go over the supplies that you'll need to get the job done. So the first thing you'll need is a cut piece of RG-6 coaxial cable. Next thing you'll need is a cable prep tool like this. And make sure that it has an RG-6 blade installed, because as you can probably tell, the blade is interchangeable. And then last thing that you'll usually need is a crimper like this for compression fittings like the type F connector. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to take our cable prep tool and we want to take one end of the coaxial cable and we want to put the end of the coaxial cable into the prep tool. And before we close the prep tool or just release our grip, we just want to make sure that the cable is mostly flush, that the end of the cable is mostly flush with the edge of the prep tool like that. And then we release our grip of the prep tool and it just bites into it. And after that, you just want to spin the prep tool around, several times or so like this, and then grip the end of the prep tool like this as you pull it off the cable. And then yep, this is the result that you should usually get after that. So now if you look closely at the cable, you see that there's a bunch of little pieces of, it looks like hair that's around the aluminum there. Well, those are pieces of metal braiding. So then usually what you want to do is just take your thumb or whatever and just push all of those pieces of metal braiding just down. Just push it down flat. So yeah, about just like that. And you also definitely want to check that there's no pieces of metal braiding that are possibly touching the center conductor here. Because if they are, that will cause shorts and cause your cable to not pass signal correctly. Alright, and now we're going to take our type F connector, and something that I usually just do just as insurance, just to make sure I pushed everything down again, is actually take the front of the connector and basically put the connector on upside down on the cable and just spin it around, push it down and spin it around like this, just to make sure everything is pushed down again. And now, insert the connector the correct way. So pushing in the cable into the bottom of the connector here. And also, let's actually zoom in a bit. Just make sure that the center conductor there of the cable is actually going into that smaller hole in the connector. And then you basically just simply push the connector down just by hand. And you want to keep pushing the connector down. Let me zoom in again. Focus, please. And you just want to keep pushing the connector down until you see the white dielectric that's surrounding the center conductor flush with the top hole here of the connector. So basically just like that. And now, yep, we need to take our crimper here, and then we need to insert the connector into the crimper with the top of the connector going in face down, and also making sure that the connector is centered here with these two notches in the crimper so you don't do it crooked and break it, and then squeeze it down. And there we go. So we've just gotten a connector on one end of the cable. And now we'll just repeat the same exact steps for the other end of the cable. And yep. So just like that. So, yep. That is how you make an RG-6 cable using the type F connector. So, anyhow, thank you guys all for watching. Hope to catch you in the next one.